welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and I do cleaning motivation videos for you guys with also some twists and turns here. I'll do like nail videos, makeup videos, cooking videos, the whole nine. But recently, if you guys are new, I have just moved out of California and we are renting a new place. If you guys have not seen my Why We Left California video, I will link all that down below, and it explains everything on why we are where we are and so on. So today I'm gonna be doing a long-awaited house tour so you guys can see where we will be staying until we are actually able to buy our own home here. So if you guys would like to see where we are staying for probably, honestly, with everything going on in the world, I don't really know how long that we're gonna be here. We're hoping that it's just until the fall. But this is where all of our cleaning videos are going to be for the next couple of months. So if you guys would like to see my new house, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, first we are going to start off when we walk through the door. So when we walk through the door, there's just this mirror. There is a window to the outside, but it's kind of tall, so if I step back, sorry, my dog's right behind me. That's what it looks like when you walk through the front door. So from the front door, if we turn, then we enter the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room. So the dining room has nothing special. So like I said before, this is all my family's vacation home. So all this furniture is not ours. This is my grandparents, my other family. This is all their stuff. So we have a dining table right here. This thing just has a bunch of our stuff in it, and like right now we're redoing the fence so that the dogs don't jump over. So I'm just kind of leaving this whole area as like miscellaneous. My purse is right there. Because we've been outside, and where we are, my husband's hat, we have a case of water, kind of just everything miscellaneous. The dog's water bowl is right there. And yep, there's a little mini fridge. So this is what the dining room looks like. We have vaulted ceilings. That really helps for where we are because of the heat. So when we go into the living room, we have two recliners right here. And this is just where we sit to watch TV. I've been keeping some books throughout all this quarantine and stuff. I have been very, very bored. We have another couch. You're gonna be seeing the dogs follow me kind of everywhere in this. Anytime that I get up, they're right behind me, so. And then we have a TV. So that's what it looks like when you walk through. You see the living room, the dining room, and then we go into the kitchen, and we have a bar top right here, granite counters, stove, and fridge. We have our pantry with all of our little snacky foods. Another pantry up here, fridge. Since we just moved here, we're still trying to like restock our fridge, so we don't have a lot in there right now. It's more just like snacking food. And then we brought this from home. This is actually ours. I have a bag of trash here that I have to throw out. This is our KitchenAid. The rest of it is my grandma's. I was running a load of dishes, but with all the noise that it was making, it wasn't the smartest idea to be having that go on. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. Very big, very open. It's kind of like our kitchen at home. It's just completely redone. The people who lived here before really took the time to fix up everything in this house, and it looks beautiful. So, and that is the kitchen. Like I said, you go through the living room, kitchen, dining room's right there. This is kind of the whole setup from the other side. Then we are going to go down the hallway. So if we go down the hallway, We have the washer and dryer, laundry room, cabinets, water heater, and this is where mostly I keep all of my cleaning supplies. So, tiny little room, and this door just leads to outside. We go back down the hallway. We have a bathroom, just a single bathroom. Here's the tub. No one really takes a shower in this tub because it's just me and my husband here right now, so nothing really. Like I said, the people who lived here before, they really fixed up this place. And if we go across, back to the hallway, across from the bathroom, we have the guest room. And this has just kind of been like our full storage area. I've been keeping like my makeup and stuff right here, my husband's hats, things like that. All of our clothes are finally in here. We have a bunch of stuff in this closet. I still have to go through bags of clothes to put them away. But this is just the guest bedroom. And we go back out to the hallway. So if you guys haven't seen, like, that's just down the hallway. And then this is the office. So right now we are just keeping boxes in here, and my husband has been playing his video games in here, but there is nothing else going on in here. No one sleeps in here. There is a twin bed in here, and there's also like a twin bed underneath. Like I said, this is a vacation home, so it's more just kind of everyone who can sleep in here grab a spot. So we're not going to use any of this area. So right now I'm still going through a lot of our kitchen stuff. I'm trying to clean them all. We need to put all these boxes away, and there's things in these boxes that I either need to find a spot for them, or we're waiting for a storage unit. Now, something I would like to show you in this, if you guys have watched my Why We Moved to California video, you'll understand everything that's going on with this house and family and stuff like that. The people who lived here before completely ripped apart the wall. So there's holes in there. There's just basically a bastion wall that it looks like they tried to fix, but they did not do a good job, and it is very noticeable because if you look at like the rest of the wall, it's just smooth, and then when you look there, it's wholly, there's craters and crevices and stuff. So we're in the process of figuring out how to fix that entire thing. But then we walk out of the room, you can still see the hallway, and then we walk into the master bedroom. Now this is basically where we've been sleeping. The only reason why is, I mean, there's no one else here. If like family and other people were to live here or come and visit, I'd probably just give up this room to them because we don't need it. But, you know, since it's just us, we did swap out the original comforter and stuff with our own that we brought, just because the people that lived here before, I still have to wash the comforters and everything, and that's coming soon. And then this room has a master bathroom. As you can see, the people who lived here before, they had ripped out this thing out of the wall because there's supposed to be multiple of those and one right there, but they ripped it out. So we still have to fix that. The shower's right there, toilet, and then this stuff. Hello. So this is basically where me and my husband get ready, and we've already set everything up. In here is just a bunch of clothes. It's a big closet. And yeah, that's basically the entire house. I'll show you a couple things that they had actually ruined. So if you look at the doors on this thing, there's a bunch of glue. So you can see exactly where they ruined it. It looks like what they did was they like ripped the doors off and then had to glue it back together, and they did not do a good job. And then there's a tiny one right here that it looks like they screwed in. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen the Why We Left California video, I'll link that down. I explain everything. And then if you were to look at, I think it's on the other wall. If you were to look at the walls, there's a bunch of like patched up areas that it looked like they had gotten in a fight. When we had moved in, we were finding glass everywhere and it looks like they had gotten in a fight. They had lifted up this. It's like the entire panel. We have a hole. We have an actual like hole in the wall right here. If you were to look at the doors, like this one is plain. This one is plain. This one is plain. But then you look at this door and it is a textured door. Along with this door. And actually all the doors are supposed to be the same, so we don't know exactly what they did with the doors because these are not the original doors. They were all textured like this one, and those are gone. Something that we found when we came in here, there's a nail right here, and there used to be a whole bunch of pictures in this house. And I have been finding that there has been complete empty spaces. Like this one, there used to be 4 of them. Now there's only 3. And when I came in, they were all jumbled up. But if you look, which I know you guys can't see, there's nails right there as if it was holding up a 4th one. And you'll find them in many different directions. There's a nail hanging right there, but nothing hanging off of it. This wall is completely bare, which it didn't used to be. It looks like they had tried to paint something right here. If you look at the door frame, it's all messed up. When we had moved in, we could not get this knob off. We actually locked all of our stuff in here by accident. So my husband had to fix this because this door would not open. They completely bashed a hole in right there. There's other pieces that are missing. Like this looks like they painted it and then left. I don't know if they sold whatever was in here, but that's what it looks like. And this is a manufactured home. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, but this is actually considered like a mobile home or a manufactured home. Where we live, it's actually very common to have that. And so it's very fragile. It's a very fragile home. It's not like normal drywall walls. They're different. We have a bunch of little scuffs that we have to take care of. So yeah, this is going to be our home for the next couple of months until everything opens back up and we're able to sell our old home and do whatever we need to do until we're able to actually find a house of our own. But this is what you guys are going to be seeing for the time being. And yeah. See? What did I tell you? They follow me. Especially this one. Evie. Say bye. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I will be seeing you very, very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.